How to use the Atome app. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to use the Atome app. First, download and open the Atome app on your mobile device. Once the app is open, sign up or log in if you already have an account. After logging in, you will see a homepage with different merchants and shopping options. Browse or search for the store or product you want to shop for. When you find an item you want to purchase, select it and proceed to checkout. You will be prompted with payment options. Then choose Atome as your payment method. You will then be given the option to split your payment into easy installments. Select the payment plan that works best for you, such as 3 months, 6 months, or as offered by the merchant. Next, confirm your order and complete the payment process. Atome will guide you through a simple authentication to approve the payment plan. Once your payment is confirmed, you can start shopping and pay in installments based on your selected plan. You will receive reminders for upcoming payments, and you can also track your payment history in the app. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.